Welcome back to MrGadget. I've been incredibly excited for today's video because we are finally getting our hands on the new king of the mid-range, the Apple iPad Air 11. There's been a ton of hype around this device, with everyone calling it the best balance of power and price for 2026, and I'm here to see if it truly lives up to that Air legacy. I'm MrGadget, and today we're going to unbox it and walk through the initial setup. The box is classic Apple, minimalist, eco-friendly and very slim. As we lift the lid, the first thing we see is the iPad Air 11 itself. Aside from the tablet, we have the usual paperwork and a high-quality braided USB-C charging cable. Again, no charging brick here, so make sure you have your 20 or 30 watt adapter ready. Let's look at this build. The finish on the back is absolutely stunning. A refined, recycled aluminum that feels incredibly premium and resists fingerprints. It's impossibly thin, and we have a breathtaking 11-inch liquid retina display with perfectly symmetrical bezels. It's sleek, and the build quality is on a whole different level compared to budget tablets. Weighing in at just above 460 grams, it feels perfectly balanced. It's light enough for one-handed use, but has that solid, high-end weight that screams Apple quality. Now let's get this started with the first boot and walk through the iPad OS setup process.